Authority local forecast.
Whether it's hot or mild, you can't help but be in a serendipitous mood as we get on into Mother's Day weekend. So, moms, hopefully you all have a blessed weekend. Let's take a look at what we're seeing as far as the weather's concerned and how it could reflect that. Your RV World Yuma Skycam giving you a glimpse of just a little snippet of the desert Southwest we'd like to call the Yuma area. Your satellite radar as far as the West Coast is concerned, all in the clear except for the areas around Tucson where we see some storm development over there, which is pretty intriguing considering this usually begins happening around monsoon season, which doesn't really kick off for yet another month or so. So we'll keep our eyes out on that for sure. Your current wind speeds pretty much mild as for now, but we're expecting that to pick up at least to some degree tonight. Your desert Southwest temperatures in the Imperial Valley, we've easily gotten to the low 100s today, and we're starting to slowly slide those temperatures down in the Yuma area. We got in the range between 102 to 106 degrees, and so the slide down will be pretty slow in that regard as well. Your future cast, we do have a cutoff low that's going to be a little bit more prevalent, especially as we get closer to Mother's Day. That's going to tame our temperatures and bring in some wind speeds as well. Speaking of which, the future of the winds, we are going to have it somewhat moderate for Mother's Day weekend, but then after the fact, we'll pick up the wind speeds, and that's why we're going to be feeling cooler outside because of that. Your Metrocast, as far as what we're expecting, well, tonight, yes, we're going to be in for another toasty one, but not quite as toasty as what it was just last night. So we're certainly counting our blessings in that particular regard. Your Little Caesars extended forecast, you can see the triple digits are numbered, at least for now. We'll be in the 90s, especially after Mother's Day. And then, believe it or not, we could actually have an 80-degree day before we start to rise the mercury numbers yet again. In the Imperial Valley, you can see very similar numbers apply to us, and we can be even down to 99 degrees by Mother's Day as well. So all in all, this is a forecast I think Mom would certainly love.